You're receiving the CyberStream System Update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell, and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update, the rise of insider threats. The greatest threat to your business's security is not an anonymous hacker working from a remote location, but more than likely an in-house employee who knows all of your trade secrets. In businesses, insider threats are more than just security issues. They impact a business's reputation and financial health. How can we avoid insider threats? Is there a way to ramp up threat detection to minimize malicious insider threat risk? Because there are plenty of variables to insider threats, the proper course of action is to take control of the information that can become a threat. Controlling who has privileged information is a start. Helping prevent data leaks by only giving such information to vetted and trusted employees and only those whose job requires access. Restricting access, reviewing logs, or alerting on data transfers and controlling what information can leave your organization and how are the best ways to protect against insider threats. You may have heard the term zero trust in terms of cybersecurity. While trust is important for a company, too much trust can lead to flimsy cybersecurity and vulnerable digital assets. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, disgruntled employees. Insider threats usually result less from a lack of proper training or a faulty security system and more from employee dissatisfaction, which varies depending on a business's climate. Employees with legitimate access, namely those in IT or other security adjacent functions with access to sensitive information, are often responsible for insider threats. While one can't necessarily predict how employees will respond to sudden changes at work, staying tuned in to employee states of mind can help. 2. Stressed employees. Employees facing undue stress due to layoffs and financial problems are more likely to make unfortunate mistakes. Even if you don't have malicious employees on your roster, factors like burnout can impact an employee's ability to spot scams and avoid potential breaches in information. During times of financial uncertainty, employees are more likely to act maliciously with the information they have. For instance, because of rising inflation costs and stagnant wages, employees such as financial controllers stand a lot to gain from having access to bank account numbers, routing information, and more. Or when employees discover that they'll be laid off, they may hoard information against the company as revenge for their sudden displacement. And 3, unrevoked privileges for ex-employees and contractors. Another reason a business may experience insider threats is that the employees in question require privileged access to do their job. This goes beyond just IT and security personnel. It means anyone who needs certain permissions to do work for the company. If employees or contractors are dismissed without the access being revoked simultaneously, it leaves your business vulnerable to improper access and use of data. For more information on this story or how CyberStreams can help you understand your CyberFit score using our proprietary CyberFit assessment, check out the description or comments accompanying this content. This concludes your CyberStream System Update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.